Okay. Go back. You have to go back. Go back. Oh, nice. That was better. You tried again. No. Already grass. Don't, I mean, you can, listen to me. You can ride it on the concrete and land on grass. Do you understand why? Because if you ride it in grass, you need more traction on this road to do that. Try it again. Go this way. Go from there. Good job. Pick it up though. That was really... Get away from the... Away from it. Control. Bring it back. You can ride it. Bring it back. You do it. You're not going to... Stop. Go from here. If you get more speed, you'll do a better ramp. Come back. Bring it back. Come over here also so you can see better.